Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our science class children. All of you kindly take your science textbook part 2. Already we have learnt about lesson 11 food storage children. Let us have a short recap. What all we have learnt? What do you mean by food spoilage children? So when the food becomes harmful to our health, we say it is spoiled. Okay. So, will we eat the spoiled food? No, we should not eat the spoiled food, children. So, we throw away the spoiled food. So, food spoilage means the nutrition from the food is lost. Okay, this means the food gets wasted. See, the reasons for food spoilage. The food spoils due to the presence of microorganisms. Microorganisms means the fungi and bacteria present in the air around us. Okay. So, how can we identify that is a fungi? Means the fungal growth. See the vegetables and fruits. How can we identify? Means see the vegetables. Example, tomato. See it is a green color. Okay, the green color circle or else white color. See how the vegetables are spoiled here. The fresh vegetables, how it will be. See the spoiled items, how are they? And see here the bread. How the bread is. See on the bread the white color you would have seen at home, no? White color or green color, a fluffy layer will be grown, cotton like layer will be grown, children. So these are called food spoilage. So see fungi we can which grow on the food, okay, are of different sizes. We have seen here, no? These are all called as fungi. We have learnt now, no? The white color or green color fluffy layer, this is called fungi. So it is of different sizes. So we can see of some of them with our naked eyes. Okay, some we cannot see. So bacteria we cannot see with our eyes. Okay, how can we identify the spoiled food? We learnt, no? We can identify the spoiled food through the color of the food, children. Next, smell. There will be a bad smell. Through the color we tell, no? See here the spoiled food item, how it is. The fresh food item, how the color of the vegetable or fruit will be. So see, then smell. The food is spoiled means there will be a bad smell whenever we open the lid. Okay, then the look. See how it is. The look. Okay, the color, the smell, then the look and touch of the food. Okay, changes are the identification of the spoiled food. Okay, how can we identify the spoiled food, children? Through the color, smell, look and touch. Okay, see for example, see how the banana, the difference we can, fresh banana how it is, the spoiled banana how it is. See a white color fluffy fungus is grown on that. Okay, children. So see some food items will be spoiled in few hours. The cooked food, no, that will be for a certain period of time only it will be fresh. So some food items get spoiled in months. Okay, see cooked food items like roti, curry, dal and so on get spoiled faster than the packed food items like biscuits, chips and so on. See the packed food items, the groceries our home parents will get, no. So in that groceries, the maligai saman solluvolla, that is groceries. So in that, see on the pack it will be used before, best before or expiry date. Manufacturing date and expiry date will be there. So you would have seen whether your mother or father checking that manufacturing date and expiry date only and they will get. So after experiments, after that date we should not eat that food. Okay. So how can we store food? See in olden days all people use the natural methods. Okay, to store and preserve food. What are they, children? See for example in cold places all they freeze the fish. Okay, fish after they catching from the sea or from the sea water, no, or ocean. So they take out the fish and store it in a frozen ice or in the salt. Okay, both the fish and the meat they will preserve like this only, children. So frozen, they will one make the fish frozen on ice or else they will add salt. Okay, they will add salt to the fish that it will not be get spoiled. Both the fish and the meat will be stored like this only, children. So in hotter climates they dry the food under sun. Okay, see drying the food, we could have washed both the grains, that is dal items all our mother would keep under the sun, no, in a home, then only for 2 3 days or for a week they will keep under the sun, and then only they will store it in a container, airtight container. So for what means, because sun is a natural disinfectant, it kills the germs. Okay, so today what all the methods, see today, in olden days like this they did, today what all the methods we are doing, see we store different types of food items in different places, like a refrigerator, okay, some in a cool dry place, and some the food we store in the food containers, some of the food. Okay, so today we have in all the home we have refrigerators. We once store the food items in refrigerators or in dry containers. Okay, see, we can learn methods to preserve food, children. So, how to store food? Store food for many days or for months also. So, storing food means, what does it means? Food is fresh, it should be healthy and maintains its nutrient value until we use them. Okay, so some of the steps, okay, taken to keep the food fresh and nutrient rich is food preservation. Okay, in the pickles, okay, pickles means some food items that vegetables may be season only we'll get. So mango, the lemon, all season only we'll get, no, for that season. So what all they will do, mango, that lemon, all we can put as how they will store the mango and lemon, children, we can store as pickles. Okay, pickle means urga, you know, no. So in that pickle, more that pickle we can store for months also, because in that more salt is added. So the salt will not allow the food to get spoiled for months. In the same way, jam, some fruits also we get for season only, no. So those fruits we can preserve for months by adding sugar and making it as jam in the form of jam. Okay, so adding more salt and more sugar will not allow the food to get spoiled easier. Okay, see, we make pickles to preserve fruits like mangoes, lemons and vegetables like carrots using salt. Okay. Next, for sugar and jaggery, see, mangoes, apples and other fruits are preserved, that is stored. Preserved means stored as jam using sugar or jaggery. So some food items like chilies and grapes are preserved by drying them, that is red chili. Okay, like dals also, red chilies also they will dry under the hot sun. So some food items like peas, meat and ice creams are frozen in the deep freezer. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Thank you children.